Hello fellow instructors, Ryan here. In this brief tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up a Blackboard Collaborate session in one of your courses. In order to do that, we need to scroll down here to the class tools and we're going to select Blackboard Collaborate. And here we see a bunch of different options which I'm going to cover briefly. First thing we want to do is edit our room. Click on that. And then you can give your session or your room a title to suit whatever purpose or reason you're holding a session. In this example, I am holding a Chapter 1 review. The next thing I'd like to point out is the Permissions tab. Right now I have my permissions turned off. This means students cannot share video or chat or do anything in the session without me. However, once I get into the Blackboard session, I can turn those individual functions and features on to allow students to use those things. And now for this room, I also have allow guests on. This means that mentors or parents or whoever can access the room through a link without actually being logged into the course. So once you have that set up, we'll scroll down and click on Save. And then the next thing we need to do is publish the link in the course for students to access. So we'll click on Menu. And then I always put mine under the course info tab. That way students know where it is every time I have a session. They always know to check the course information tab. So we'll click on that. And we'll scroll down and we have some different options here. For example, if you're setting up a room and you're only going to have a meeting from 2 to 3 or 4 to 6, you can set the time frame of when the session will be available. What I do for mine, I leave the session open all the time, so if a student has a question or concern, they can send me a message and real quickly we can jump into the Blackboard Collaborate and discuss whatever issues or concerns they have without trying to create a room. So once you set that, we'll click on Save. And the final thing is to invite guests. Now that you have your room published, we can click on Invite Guests, and here you can see it provides us with a URL. Now you can send this URL to parents, mentors, whoever you would like to join your session. Also, if you know whose email address it is right off the top of your head, you can always type it in here and it will automatically send them an email notification right from Blackboard. Now that our room is all set up, we're going to join our room. We're going to click on Course Information, scroll down here, and click on the room. And now I have officially entered my Blackboard Collaborate session. So that is how to set up your Blackboard Collaborate session. And the next tutorial, I will show you some of the features and benefits of how to use it.